If you've ever wondered what actually happens inside my private Discord or what my Patreon members get, this video is for you. I'm about to show you the exact systems, tools, and processes we use to make better trades, manage risk, and collaborate inside one of the most serious investor communities online. This is the same onboarding video I send to new members, and if you're on the fence about joining, this will show you exactly what to expect. Hey, this is Jerry and welcome to the Patreon community. If you're watching this, you've made a smart move. I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock the full value of your Patreon membership and avoid the common mistakes that cost people time, access, and opportunities. This video is short, direct, and packed with value. So stick with me to the very end because this will make your entire experience smoother and more profitable. Everything happens on Discord. Patreon is just your payment portal. Discord is where the magic happens. That's where we post the hot stock lists, the trade alerts, the research threads, and where the community lives. If you're not inside Discord, you're missing 95% of what you paid for. If you don't already have a Discord account, go to discord.com and create one now. It's free and takes 2 minutes. Important, your Discord and Patreon emails must match exactly. If they don't, the system won't connect. If they're different, go to Patreon and update your email so it matches your Discord. Once your emails match, Patreon can automatically sync your access to the Discord server. The easiest way is to sync in your Discord account by clicking on Settings, More, Connected Apps, and then Discord. And if that doesn't work, you'll find full step-by-step instructions in the Start Here channel in my Discord. Sometimes access is instant, sometimes it takes a few hours. That delay is just Patreon and Discord syncing on the back end, and it's completely normal, so be patient. You're not doing anything wrong. If anything goes wrong, even if you're not synced yet, just open a support ticket in Discord. We've helped hundreds of people through this, and we'll help you too. No stress, no tech headaches, just open a ticket and our team will take care of it. Let's talk about safety for a second because this is serious. Discord is full of scammers. They will copy my name, use my image, and try to sell you fake services or steal your money. I will never message you directly, send a friend request, ask for anything in a DM. If you get a private message from me, it's 100% a scam. Report it as spam and block it. To protect yourself, click on the gear icon at the bottom left in Discord. Go to Content and Social, turn off direct messages, and turn on spam filtering for all DMs. Pause this video and do that right now. It only takes 30 seconds. Now, let's go over what you get based on your Patreon tier. The $5 tier supports my YouTube and there's no Discord access. Tier number 1 is Platinum and it gets daily hot stocks, real-time trade alerts, full chat access, thinkorswim indicators, and there's more that you can see on the screen right now. And Tier 2 Diamond, they get everything in Tier 1 plus the exclusive JR4 hot stock lists and bonus thinkorswim indicators. A lot of people join just for the JR4 hot stock list, and once you've experienced it, then you'll understand why, and you'll see that Tier 2 and the JR4 hot stock list can pay for itself fast. Let's go over the hot stock lists, which are your daily edge. This is one of the most powerful tools we offer. These lists are not buy lists. They're data-driven hot stock generators with stocks that meet very specific technical, fundamentals, and risk-based filters. The main hot stock list is curated daily based on momentum, strength, trend volatility, and a number of proprietary indicators. Every column matters, from the short-term trend to volume spikes to the Sharpe ratio. Do you want the full breakdown? Click the push pin at the top of any channel to see the pinned messages. This will give you critical insights and tips to every channel I have on Discord. The pre-earnings hot stock lists are stocks trending up that meet very specific criteria and have an earnings report date that is quickly approaching. Many members use these for the buy the run-up, sell before the news plays. Again, this is a starting point. Do your research. If the setup fits your criteria, go deeper. And then we've got the JR4 hot stock list, and it's for Tier 2 only, and this is my favorite list. The JR4 is built with a different set of filters, and it consistently finds winners that the other lists don't. If you're in Tier 2, check it daily. If you're not, this list alone is why many members upgrade. It's just that good. And every trade I make, I post it here. I'll tell you what I'm buying or selling, whether I'm bullish or bearish, and what the play is. Sometimes I'll give more detail, other times it's simple, a covered call or a basic trade. Use these alerts as signals, not instructions. Choose the strategy that fits your experience, portfolio size, and comfort level. Do you want push alerts for every trade I post? If you'd like to receive the alerts on your phone every time I post an alert, here's how to set it up. Number 1, open the Discord app on your phone. Number 2, go to the Trade Alerts channel. Number 3, tap the 3 dots. 4, tap notification settings. 5, select all messages. This is completely optional. If you want the alerts in real time as they happen, now you know how. And this isn't just trade alerts and stock picks. It's a full investor community. You'll find chat rooms on option strategies, hot stock discussions, winning and losing trades, research threads with support, resistance, and company overviews, tax, retirement, crypto, and sector-specific rooms like uranium and precious metals. These are focused conversations, not noise. Ask questions, join in, and connect with smart investors just like you. Now that you're synced up, here's how to get the most out of this community fast. Number 1, start with the Start Here channel. It's quick and easy. Number 2, go through the Frequently Asked Question channel. Most of your questions are already answered there. Take 5 minutes to read through it, and it will save you hours and get you up to speed fast. Number 3, go deep into the Education Videos channel. This is a must-watch channel and is your foundation. Once your mind is expanded, it can never go back, and this is where the education happens. I recommend watching 3 to 4 videos per day. That's the sweet spot. The goal isn't just to know what we do, but how and why it works. The more you understand the system, the more value you'll get from every trade and investment, every stock, and every conversation. The truth is, most people won't do this, but if you're serious, this can be the difference between retiring broke and retiring rich. Let's recap the final checklist, and you should have already completed all of these steps. If not, pause the video and do it now. Step number 1, match your Patreon and Discord emails. Step number 2, follow the sync instructions in the Start Here. Step 3, turn off DMs and turn on spam filters. Step 4, set trade alert notifications on your phone, and this is optional. Step 5, check the push pin in every channel and read the pinned comments. Step 6, explore the chat rooms that match your focus. Step 7, read the frequently asked questions. And step number 8, start watching the Education Videos channel today. Complete 3 to 4 videos every day until you've gone through all of them. You joined a serious community of investors, not hype, not noise, just real signals, data, tools, and people committed to getting better. This is your edge. Use it, stay sharp, and most of all, have fun while building your future. Welcome aboard, and I'll see you inside the Discord.